Web development is one of the most exciting and dynamic fields in the world of technology. From simple static websites to complex web applications, the internet has become an integral part of our daily lives. In this video, we will introduce you to web development and cover some of the basics you need to know to get started. So, what exactly is web development? It is the process of creating websites and web applications that can be accessed over the internet. There are different types of web development, and each one serves a different purpose. The most common types of web development include front-end, back-end, and full-stack web development. Front-end development focuses on the user interface and includes technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Backend development deals with the server-side programming and includes the languages like PHP, Ruby, and Python. Full stack development involves both front-end and back-end development. Websites can range from simple personal blogs to complex e-commerce platforms. Some examples of websites include social media platforms like Facebook, news websites like CNN, and e-commerce platforms like Amazon. So why should you learn web development? For starters, it is a highly in-demand skill that can lead to a rewarding career. It's also creative and challenging field that offers plenty of opportunities to innovate and make a difference. A web development course typically includes a mix of theory and hands-on practice. You will learn about the different languages and frameworks used in web development, as well as how to build and deploy websites and web applications. Let's take a closer look at the construction of a website. HTML is used to structure the content, while CSS is used to style it. JavaScript is used to add interactivity and dynamic functionality to the website. Here's an example. So you want to create a simple web page with a header, a paragraph of text, and a common button. You would have used HTML to structure the content, CSS to style it, and JavaScript to add interactivity to the button. To get started with web development, you will need a code editor like VS Code. This is where you will write and edit your code. In summary, web development is the process of creating websites and web applications. There are different types of web development, each with a specific purpose. Learning web development can lead to a rewarding career and offers plenty of opportunities for innovation. A web development course typically includes theory and hands-on practice. To get started, you will need a code editor like VS Code, and that's it for this introduction to web development. Thanks for watching. Let's begin in the next video.